Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your printer is unable to print. This is one potential workaround that I wanted to showcase in a tutorial today. So this is going to be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by left clicking to open up the start menu. And you want to type in services. Best match that comes up should say services, and on Windows 10 it should come up right above desktop app. So you want to left click on it once to open it up. Okay, so now you want to scroll down until you get to a service name called or print spooler. So you want to scroll down here, right here, print spooler. You want to go up to the left here where it says stop the service and left click on stop. And now once it's stopped, you want to click on start the service. It will take a moment. And then once you're done doing that, I'd recommend trying to print out your document. If it still doesn't work, I'd recommend restarting your computer and then proceed to attempt to print out whatever you were trying to print out before, and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.